What's up guys, this is Sean Heather and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G smartphone that comes with 32 megapixel front facing camera and capable of recording 2K resolution videos. For pictures we got the AI cam mode, we got the portrait mode, that is a combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. We got the super night mode, we got the wide selfie, that's panorama for front facing camera, and then we got the AR stickers as well on Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G front-facing camera. And when it comes to video, you can record 2K resolution videos up to 30 FPS or full HD resolution videos up to 60 FPS. The HDR as well as Ultra HD mode is available for the front-facing camera video recording, and it comes with slow motion video recording as well. And then we got the time-lapse video recording as well. It also comes with the bokeh effect for front-facing camera video, but it reduces the video resolution to full HD at 30 FPS only, and it also gives you the option to select the level of bokeh. It also comes with various beautification effects, but once again, using them will reduce the video resolution to full HD at 30 FPS only. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you are going to use the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G smartphone for taking selfies or videos, then how good or bad it will be in terms of quality. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.